Top 5 foods to include in your morning routine for better health eating breakfast alone won't magically help you lose weight, but choosing the right foods can fuel your body, wake up your brain, and set you up for a successful day. Here are the top 5 foods to consider adding to your morning routine. Oats rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber. Oats help lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar, making them perfect for heart health. They also help you feel full longer, aiding digestion and supporting muscle function. Greek yogurt packed with protein and probiotics. Greek yogurt is excellent for muscle repair and gut health. Its probiotics support digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Opt for unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Eggs are a great source of choline, which supports brain function, memory, and mood regulation. They are also linked to a reduced risk of heart disease when eaten in moderation. With protein and healthy fats, they keep you energized and full. Berries. Full of antioxidants, fiber, and polyphenols, berries protect against oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Their high fiber content helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, promoting heart health and longevity. Bananas are a potassium powerhouse, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure and electrolyte balance. They support muscle function and energy levels, making them a great pre-workout snack or part of your breakfast. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your morning routine will help enhance digestion, heart health, and overall well-being. Whether you mix them into a smoothie, enjoy them individually, or create a hearty breakfast bowl, they'll support your body's needs throughout the day. For more health tips, check out our other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy and energized life.